Hi everybody, it's good to see you this morning. There is one detail that can make using Hangouts for support much easier, both within your school's Park School Manager team as well as with our Information Services Curriculum team supporting everybody from here at the Ad Center. So in Hangouts, and this was actually pictured in the slides that were sent out on Wednesday morning, March 18th, this morning, in Hangouts, you can build a Hangout here. So for example, this is a Hangout I built, and Tyler used it this morning to show us that today's tests have been started. And there are, this Hangout has the following people in it: Tracy Crowley, Ursula, Janelle, Tyler, and Ernesto. And then in this Hangout, I've given it a title called the Park Support Team. So these are within team Hangout messages, and we can send them and everybody will get them. It's a group messaging just like you're used to. So you can build though one, and then everything we do will stay within this thread. So there's a real advantage to that. You can go back and look at the history of your support chats. The other advantage is every time you build a Hangout, you don't have to go adding all the people. You add them one time and they're added. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. So if I go to Hangouts, I'm going to start a new conversation and find people. So let's say I want Janelle in the Hangout, and then I click plus and I want to add people. So again, let me go back and show you that. I start with Janelle, I click plus, the plus person, right up here, plus person, and now I'm going to add. And I'm going to add Kara, and I'm going to add Ursula, and I'm going to add Tracy Crowley, and I'm going to add Rosemary. And then I click add people. And there we go. It now shows me 5 people. I can video chat with this group. I can type a message to this group. But then the other thing I can do, instead of having all their names, which doesn't help, I can go ahead and give the Hangout a name. And I want the notifications and the Hangout history turned on. So I'm going to title this Park Communications. I've renamed it. There we go. And now I can type a message. So what you would do in each of your buildings is you would launch Hangouts. You'd search for a person. So let's pretend for a second that I am Bob Gurney. Sorry, Bob Gurney. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Park School Managers at London, Luis Correa. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I want to add people. So I'm going to add Linda Petty. And there she is. And I'm going to add Jeremy Holtmeyer. There he is. And I'm going to click on Add People. And then I'm going to go to the gear. And I'm going to name this Hangout Park London Support. So one of the things that we would love to see, or actually even better, would be if I named it Park LMS Support. We would actually ask at this point that each school build a Hangout like this, and that Hangout include your principal, your Park School Managers, and all of us listed in the slide. So that's Ursula, Janelle, Tyler, Ernesto, Tracy Crowley, and myself, and then title it Park, your school abbreviation that we use. So for the middle schools, that's CMS, HMS, and LMS, and for the elementary schools, that's the initials of your author. So EF for Field, RF for Frost, HWL for Longfellow, etc. And then title it Park, the initials, and support. Save it. And then you can send us an introductory message or something to get it going. But then send all Hangouts through that chat, through that open group Hangout, and we'll be all set. We'll have everything we need. If you have any questions about creating one of those Hangouts, reach out to us and let us know, and we'll help you build that Hangout. Thanks so much.